name is Sue and welcome to the first episode of Sous Chef. Today I will be making kimchi jjigae. So first you are going to need a vessel, pot, 1 onion, 1 can tuna because it is a very easy source of protein, 1 cup kimchi, fish sauce, oil, tofu, organic tofu. Here we have some soy sauce. Soy sauce. First we'll cut our onions and tofu. I used about 1/4 of an onion and a fist-sized block of firm tofu. Now at our stove, we'll spray some cooking oil into the pot over high heat. Throw in your kimchi and stir fry for about 30 seconds. Then add about 2 cups of water. When your stew starts boiling, add in a splash of fish sauce and about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add your onions and let this cook for about 10 minutes. For our last step, add in the tofu and the tuna. You'll want to let this cook for about 10 minutes also. And that's it! Serve over rice and enjoy! And that's it, guys! Hopefully that was an easy to follow recipe for my kimchi jjigae. Please hit like and subscribe if you liked my video, and please comment down below what you think my next dish should be. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. 안녕히 가세요. Bye! Kimchi jjigae? Have you heard of it? Because I don't have any spam or beef or pork belly. I totally lost it all. Dig into this stew because it smells amazing. I'm about to get down on this stew.